Hello there, my friends, and welcome. Are you a busy mom trying to juggle the family, work commitments, and trying to build your side hustle at the same time? And maybe you're wondering, can digital marketing make you rich? Well, in this video, I'm going to reveal the truth that moms should know when they're getting started. Now, stick around to the very end because I have some exciting proof of the amount of money that you can earn in digital marketing, and I have a bonus for you as well. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from Partner with Angela. I'm originally from Malawi in Southern Africa, currently studying for my degree in business and marketing here in Dublin. Now, I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed. I was so stressed and frustrated. I was sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family. I felt like I was on this hamster wheel going round and round in circles as I lived from paycheck to paycheck. I had this mom guilt because I was spending all this money trying to make money online. You name it, I've been there, done that, from affiliate marketing, network marketing, crypto trading. It was not until I made the decision, because up until then, I always felt like there was something I was missing. There was something they were not telling me. But when I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn digital marketing skills, that's when everything changed. And last year, I came across this proven step-by-step blueprint that's actually showing me how to attract my perfect customer using social media, so I no longer have to bother my family and friends. So if you're there wondering, okay, what kind of money can I make in digital marketing? Let me go ahead and share my screen and show you what's absolutely possible from our community, right? We have this thriving community that I'm just about to share with you here of our community. As you can see, it has over 53,000 paid members, and these paid members are across the world. They're in Africa, they're in Europe, they're in Asia, they're in North and South America, they're in Australia, they're everywhere, they're absolutely everywhere. And what I love about this program is it's a one-time payment, so there's no monthly subscription, but we get live interactive coaching and mentorship. So today we have a free webinar coming up, right? And when we have onboarding call for new members who are stuck, they can jump on there, ask any questions. And then next week, we have all these webinars where you can unmute yourself, ask any questions. Now, this here is our bonus site, right? If you decide to get access to the blueprint, we have two login details, two apps that you get. One of them gives you access to the actual blueprint, and the other one gives you this bonus site. Now, one of my favorite things about this bonus site is this sprint, right? 90-day sprint, where a multi-millionaire takes us by the hand and walks us step by step every day. She sends a video that magically appears out of thin air, and she just talks us through. So we on day 44, just appeared here. I'm after recording another video, and this video 34 wasn't there. So you can see I have to play catch up. But here she's talking about email nurture sequence ideas, right? Ideas to help us nurture our email list, right? And then here she talked about why our content isn't converting, how to grow and nurture your email list. So she's kind of focused on that email piece from day 31 to day 60, right? Very, very powerful. And then we have mindset training from one of our six-figure hypnotherapists. We have webinar resources, we have social media training, we have mentoring, Zoom replays. These are bonus extra training apart from what you get from the actual blueprint. The actual blueprint, if I go here, these are different packages you can get in where you fit in, but you can see there's over 200 lessons in here. If I click this first module, click here to get started, you can see all the different modules that are in there as well. Okay, very, very powerful. So this is extra. But let me share with you some wins. Let me go ahead and share with you some crazy wins. If I go top, right? So I want to show you what's possible in digital marketing. Michelle, 3 days ago, this is the creator of our course, of this live interactive program, right? So 2 years and 9 months ago, I sent a post on Facebook and took action, right? So now she paid cash for this house on the lake, and you can just see her beautiful, amazing house by the lake, and you can see her with her family just enjoying going to, she's a grandmother of 5 children and 6 grandchildren, right? They're just there hanging out by the lake at grandma's house, right? Absolutely powerful. Jessica, this is one of our mentors, 6-figure mentors. She's earned $400,000 in 18 months, right? Absolutely amazing. Christina, I'll focus on the financial. Mindy, 30 days ago, made 900. Daryl, 11 days ago, made 400,000 in start. How long has he been? Has he made that money? Starting the month, right? 900 of over 16 and a half months, right? 400,000 in 16 and a half months. Let me see. So congratulations. Christy just hit 39,000 in my first 10 months online, right? 39,000 in 10 months. 1 million views and 3,000 sales. Christina's video went viral. Melanie, 30 days ago, got her first sale. Christina made 900 while she was live, 4,800 leads. Victoria, almost 10K for June already, right? 3 days ago. Victoria actually built a house as well. She's earned over 400,000, and she's one of our 6-figure mentors. Jessica, 900 on a live. Vera, first $100 sale. Christy, 900, and so on and so forth, right? 900. Christina was on vacation. She made 4,500. 3,000 in less than 7 days. Namla. So these are the different. Steve, 22 days ago, 1,806 days. Kimberly, my first 928 days ago. So real talk, girl math. This week I had $3,600 week, and it's Friday, and so on, right? Paid off 2 credit cards, paid off computer loan, walked in the grocery store like a queen, right? Absolutely amazing. This is life-changing. So as you can see here, we have a proven step-by-step blueprint that anybody can use. You can start from nothing, and out of nothing, you can learn how to, you can see the next 30 days of that 90-day sprint. We focus on emailing. So it's all about the money is in the list. How to build your email list is step 1. But step number 2 is nurture that email list. Get those cold leads into hot buyers, right? You learn how to brand yourself, how to attract your perfect customer using social media. All these things are there for you. Now, if you're interested in learning more, I invite you to click the link in the description to claim your free copy of our Freedom Formula Blueprint. I'll deliver this blueprint to your email. Check your spam folder, your promotional folder, and once you've gone through the blueprint, respond to my email. Let's have a conversation. I'm here to help you make an informed decision. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.